Hello everyone, speaking from my heart to a community of 1,000 followers on World Top 10 Talks.
Step 1. We will need a good sound to AI voiceover. So we will go to 11labs.io. In this tutorial everything is free. So now, we will choose the free plan. Click on Online Platform and choose the speech synthesis. Choose a voice that you prefer. Paste your script. And click Generate. We have credits for each trial. Create a video with an avatar. Go.com. Log in with credentials or Google account and choose the free trial. Create a video or preset your avatar. Upload a photo. On the right, VoiceOver Generator tool. Or we can upload our own recorded script audio. Once you're completed the pic and script upload, click on Generate Video. And that's it, you have the video ready. Share on YouTube or Instagram.
Hello everyone, speaking from my heart to a community of 1,000 followers on World Top 10 Talks.